Fyguard was kind enough to send me a 6-pack of their masking tape. You can see that this is pretty wide. I don't think it tells you how wide it is, but I'm gonna guess that this is 2 inches. This is a really good size roll. I like the quality of this. I've already been using this for the past week around my house. We use masking tape for a lot of things. We use it for pricing yard sale stuff, which I have been doing. We use it, of course, when you paint and, you know, to do the trim and to tape the trim off. I use it when I watercolor paint and I make a border around the outside of my watercolor and to put it down on a board so that it stays straight. It has not ripped the paper yet. If you are going to use it for watercolor, if you hit it with a heat gun, if it's sticking, you know, it'll help lift it off. Now, I have a piece that I put back here. You can see it right there. It has been on there for about an hour and a half. Let's see how it comes off. So like I said, this has been an hour and a half. It peels off nicely. It stuck really well. I love that it stuck really well when I needed it to, but it peeled off really well. You can see there's no residue on the back, you know, like it didn't peel the paint off or anything like that. So I would definitely give this a try. It's a good deal.